Hey guys, PMHK here. So today I'm looking all suited up because I'm trying to do something different to up my Instagram Instagram posts, not video. I'm used to making videos, so whatever I say video. I'm trying to up my Instagram photos on my Instagram standing a little bit. So we're gonna go somewhere so we can just, you'll see. I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I arrived where I said I was gonna go. So I'm here with introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
The Melanin Man.
I'm here with the Melanin Man, catchy name, and we're just gonna be working on some pictures. I said I need to up my Instagram game a little bit. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're in Bruma right now. I think it's still 9 o'clock in the morning. It's not that early, but it's also not that late yet. As you can see, Bruma is really dry right now. I don't know, does it normally get full on Sundays as well?
It's empty.
Okay, so Sunday is empty. People are probably praying, I hope. So we're gonna do this. Yeah, they're recovering. So what's next? This thing is
There are many series.
and we still have many.
You can use this brown wood to go along.
Okay. Okay, so I'm supposed to be captured while I'm vlogging. I don't even know what to say now, but anyway, so we are still in Bruma, making progress. You guys need to go follow me on Instagram so we can get my Instagram account to at least 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 followers soon, because I've been sitting on around 800, up and down. Yeah, I've been stuck there for a while, so we need to do something about it. But yeah, hopefully with these pictures and the other pictures to come, we will have the Instagram account going bananas. So, how long more do we have? Oh, we're just starting actually, so I'm guessing we have very long to go. So, the idea of this shoot was that I'm gonna be working with more photographer, professional photographer, whatever you wanna call them. But I wanted to have a section on my Instagram that would showcase both me, the creator obviously, and the photographer also as a creator. So what I will do is break away from the regular posts that I have on Instagram just to give it a little bit of separation. So I'll have a breakaway session where it's gonna start with the end. I break away, so it's gonna start with the end, and then the actual photos of the photographer and I are gonna be in the middle, and then on top we're going to have the name of the shoot and the name of the photographer. So I'm starting with Yannick, the Melanin Man. You guys can go and check his work out on the Melanin Man. I'm gonna try and link him maybe down in the description if he allows. Okay, he's good with it, so I'm gonna link him down there for you guys to check his stuff. But as I said, follow me on Instagram so you guys can see this work. Hopefully by the time you guys see this video, this thing is overexposed always. Hopefully by the time you guys see this video, the pictures are already gonna be up. So the reason that I'm dressed like this is actually it's just to prove a point. I normally don't like dressing formal too much, and people complain, although I'm actually not fully formal, I have sneakers on. People complain that I don't wear formal too much, and I'm always with my joggers, whatever you call it, tracksuit pants. I'm always in my tracksuit pants because most of the time I'm at home shooting my videos and editing. So I just wanted to show that I can also suit up And the other reason also, I was at the wedding, my brother's wedding not so long ago, and I realized that I actually look nice, or still look nice in suit. So that's also one of the reasons. And also to show that South African YouTubers, or YouTubers in general, are also serious beings. They can also represent as I'm doing right now.
Shot. Money shot.
Money shot. Let me see. Funny. So we've been doing this for like, has it even been an hour?
It's close to an hour.
Okay, it's been close to an hour and I'm already tired. He's telling me that he was shooting, when were you shooting? Last week? Yesterday?
Last week Sunday.
He was shooting last week Sunday for 8 hours straight.
I was on set for 9.
Imagine, I was on set for 9. Like, what are you doing for 9? Wow. That's straight. I haven't really sat down to edit a video 9 hours straight, but also that would be too long unless I'm editing multiple videos. Even the shooting, when it's a vlog, it doesn't really take that much. Maybe when it's a review or something, or I'm looking at a specific gadget, yeah, it might take that while. So this is where we're going. Joburg Bridge.
Under the bridge.
So we kind of been just standing here for almost 30 minutes now because I decided to include some drone footage on this video, but I should have set it up at home before bringing it here. Now I realize that I have the wrong DJI app on my phone because I use the Phantom 2, as you guys know. Phantom 2? Phantom 3? Phantom 3? Yeah, I think it's a Phantom 3. I use the Phantom 3, as you guys know, and it uses the old DJI app, but the Mavic, is this a Mavic even?
It's a Spark.
But the Spark, I'm saying Mavic, but the DJI Spark uses the DJI 4 Go app. But whatever, I couldn't fly the drone because it's not set up, and I tried downloading the app. But the app is taking too long to download. It's like 150 megabytes. So yeah, long story short, we're not gonna have any drone footage. So I am sorry. So that is the shoot for today. Now I'm at McDonald's. I'm a bit hungry. I wanna eat something. I also realized that most of my setting on the camera were all wrong. As perks of sharing camera with other people. I actually share this camera sometime with my little sister, who also makes YouTube videos. If you guys wanna see her channel, let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna make sure I link if you guys actually wanna see it. I'm gonna link the channel. Otherwise, the shoot is finished. Probably getting those photos maybe in a week or two. But this video will probably go up also before those pictures are up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. I'm gonna eat now. Peace. I'm gonna eat now.
Am I